Hi guys, today you're baking with me, Lukez, on my baking channel, so baking with Lukez. Today you need 100 of baking flour to make some easy pancakes, in the description if you want to follow this, and 2 large eggs and 300 millilitres of milk. And a mixing bowl to mix it all together and some scales to measure it all out with. Now let's pour 100 of plain flour into the bowl. Let's do that now, yes. Let's open up the flour first, if I can that is. Let's not make this into a comedy thing, but like eating pancakes, link in the description if you want to still follow along. As you can see, I'm opening up the flour. We need a spoon to do it with as well. A spoon instead of using tipping, as this is my method of doing it. Instead of like, other people just tip it in, don't they? We need to turn the scales on. These are on grams, let's make sure. It's on ounces, let's turn to grams. We need 100 grams of flour, plain flour, not any other flour, not the flour from outside, this flour. So let's see how much this is now. Nearly up to 100 already, and we're nearly done. Need a couple more bits, and that is 100 done. Now I'm going to show you how I crack eggs. No yolk in that, but like anyway. This is my method. I get a knife, I'll get an egg in that hand like that, and like that, boom boom. Like that boom boom bit didn't need to go in, but like it's not necessary, but let's do it anyway. Let's just carefully open it up like that, and like that, and it goes in the cup like that. Same method again with the other egg, but like if you want to do it your way, it's up to you. But like this time you do it again, look, get a knife like that and go double tap. That's how I do it. Carefully open it, and it goes in like so. And that's how I crack eggs. No yolk in that. Now we're going to mix the flour, the eggs, what we just cracked over there, with no yolk in that, and with like the milk and a pinch, if you want, of salt. But like, don't go too mad with the salt. It could make the pancakes too salty and might get you like that. But like anyway, let's mix this in there like that. Boom boom. Now the milk, bit by bit, not all of it at once, with the balloon whisk. Like I call it that because it looks like a balloon you go in a hot air balloon with. So put a bit in there like this and stop like that. Put the milk down like that and you just mix away like that, as you can see. But like I'm just gonna mix this, and if it's a bit too runny like that, what you have to do is put a little bit more flour in. Not too much, not the flour from outside, this flour again. Don't get mixed up. But like, get your spoon again, just put a little tiny bit like this, maybe half of it or that much in there like so. Put the flour out of the way, don't need it, and a pinch of salt. Not too much, as I said earlier. Just a little pinch in the hand, do it this way. Just a little pinch like that. Little sprinkle of salt. So now you mix away again to get it all nice in there like so. Like that pinch of salt makes it taste a bit better, you know, and yeah, sunflower oil. You put it in the mixture like this, and it helps just a little bit like that. Not too much. You don't want too much sun in there because you could burn yourself. But anyway, like if you mix it a bit, it helps it doesn't stick to this pan. You're planning to put the mixture in this pan to make it cook very nicely. And then if you, very nicely when you cook it, if you can flip it, you can, but I might try it, but I might not. I don't know yet. See when it happens. Yeah, the kitchen towel. So like a little bit of excess of this sunflower oil, my little tip here. Like just put a little bit of the spoon, not too much. A bit like that. Just down. Just a little bit in there like so. With this, like that. And get your kitchen towel. Just wipe around the excess. Like so. And just leave, when it's done it, leave it to one side. Don't want it sticking to the pan because you might not be able to eat it afterwards. Just leave it to one side like so. Come back in between it to stick it down again. But like, after you're done with the sunflower oil, just put it away for a second because I don't know if you will really need it. But now let's get cooking with some planned pancakes. Now let's heat up this kitchen with a bit of oven on. So let's turn up the heat. As you can see, it's on. So now I think I've got to pour that into the pan because you planned this. So you plan to put it in there. So it's a plan. So you get it. But anyway, I'll take this. It's hot air balloon again. We take that out of the thing, put it on the tea towel. Put a bit of mixture into the pan, like so. A little bit, not too much. Just about there, like so, and just let it cook. And then, when it feels like you want to flip it, when it's turned to flip, you can just use a spatula, or you can flip it in the air with the pan itself. So, I don't know which one I'm doing yet, but if I flip it in the air and break it, this is the tell which one to do first. It's always the first pancake. You could destroy the whole pancake itself. See when this one's cooked. Now I think it's ready for the flips, so if you are behind me, I hope it goes well. So the first thing you have to do is loosen it around the sides like this. Just loosen it up a bit like that. But now, if you are behind me, here it goes. Hope it goes well, guys. Fingers crossed. Or nearly, yes. Didn't do it as high as I hoped, but there you go. There's the first little flip there for the little Cooking with Luke's channel. Let's go for a bigger flip, come on. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Way, done it, now onto the plate, like so. If you want to fold it, just do that. Now let's do another couple. Now I'm going to let the pan cool down a bit because like we just used it and it's very, very hot. We just need it to cool down before we wash up. But now like, let's look at the pancakes, see what that actually came out like, all of them. So let's have a look. Here they are, all the pancakes. What's your favourite topping? Leave in the comments below. I don't know what mine is, maybe a bit of lemon, maybe something sugar on top, I don't know. But like, or a bit of chocolate sauce if I'm lucky. But like, and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell down below next to the subscribe button when you're subscribed. So there'll be more cooking videos coming out soon, and yeah, I'm going to enjoy these pancakes now. See you next time. Peace.